Hi everyone, I'm going to be making a fresh new batch of my vinegar and water solution, and I use this to clean my guinea pig's cage, the coroplast. I only have this much left, so I'm going to be making more. And what you'll need is a measuring cup, white distilled vinegar, and you already have water, but if you have fresh filtered water, that would be even more. You will also need a clean spray bottle. You can get one at your 99-cent store, or if you already ran out of whatever you use, such as Windex, you can clean it out and bleach it so it's disinfected and doesn't have any kind of, liquid or sprays inside, and you can use that. So let's get started. An optional thing you could have is one of these whatchamacallit things, but it helps you not spill, and the tube goes right into the bottle. This is the white distilled vinegar I'll be using. You can get these in jugs and they're not that expensive, and you can go to your local grocery store and there should always be vinegar there. So we're going to measure this to 1 cup exact, and then we're going to be pouring another cup of vinegar. And then that's all the vinegar we're going to be using. Okay, and then now we're going to be getting 2 cups of water. Ah! Uh-oh. Oh, man. Come on. There we go. I kind of did it overboard and I overfilled it, so I just poured some out and then I added more water because you want to equal out the water and vinegar. So I turned my nozzle on and I put it on. So now you just, if you have any empty spaces, just shake it up. Okay, it's as easy as that, and there you have your cage cleaning spray. Thanks for watching. I can't. Stop laughing at me. You're no fun. This is you. You're going looking all around. It sounds like a monkey. I was like, ah! I thought I seen someone peeking around.